I know you've seen the video of the input material, the solid waste material, going up the conveyor belt into our patented shear equipment. And now I just want to give you kind of a refresher. This is the type of stuff that went in. This dog food bag, water bottle, milk jug, and this is what comes out of our equipment. You can see the mixing here of the material. So this is the output material. This was the input material. Let's move over here. I think I particularly made a point of the cooler, and here's the other half of the cooler that didn't get processed. But this is the material, the cooler material right here that's come out of that. That's come out of our process. And let me just move down to here to another material. This is fiberglass. This is a drip pan over an air conditioner, and fiberglass is not recyclable, as any of these materials are not recyclable today. This was processed through our equipment, and this is the fiberglass material that came out of it. That's perfect for lightweight concrete because it gives it strength.